Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Mixo for e-commerce. If you don't have a good online store, you might lose customers and sales to your competitors. With the help of Mixo's website builder, you can easily create a great online store that will attract and retain customers. At Mixo, we understand that creating an online store can be challenging. That's why we've developed an AI-powered tool that will help you create landing pages for your store without requiring technical expertise. How to start. Describe your business. Your store's description should encompass the products and services you offer. AI generates your website. Our AI-powered program will develop a stunning e-commerce site for your business. Customize and update. Our easy-to-use editor can customize your site's content and design. Launch your online store. After you're satisfied with your site's design, simply click the Launch Store button and begin selling. What's included in every paid plan? Integrated AI. Website hosting included. No-code site editor. Customizable site URL. Free SSL Certificate. Mobile-first responsive design. Access to free stock images. Embed video content. SEO. Choose a plan. Basic, $7 at month. Growth site, $15 at month. Pro, $29 at month. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.